Turtle Island, where the fellas be building and the girlies be smiling. Hell of a thing when these worlds be colliding. They all sing jingle bells, complete with violent pedophiling. Rush hour traffic and human cargo, to nowhere in a hurry during a truth embargo. It seems so odd though, how they so cocky, with blatant disregard for life like Hiroshima, Nagasaki. Watch it when we like they drop toxic napalm, or even one of their most prized possessions, the H-bomb. Guaranteed to kill for generations to come and degenerate their own civilizations to bunch of bums. And it's the same ones who started this calamity, turn right around and ask for amnesty, insanity. Doom representing Renan Squad, Kes, bombing since yes, y'all, and the fresh fest.